If linear equation confuse you, this video is for you. So let's start by using the reverse operation to solve these equations. Let's start with our first equation. So x subtract 2 is equal to 8. And the reverse operation of subtract 2 is add 2. And remember to add 2 to both sides of the equation. So add 2 on both sides of the equation. You're going to add 2 on the left hand side, and remember to add 2 on the right hand side. And this is to ensure that the equation is balanced. And this means x will be equal to 10. So x is equal to 10. Let's look on our next example. Solve x minus 4 is equal to 7. Using the reverse operation method, the reverse of minus 4 is add 4. So we add 4 to both sides of the equation. And we add 4 to the right hand side of the equation as well. And this means x will be equal to 11. Here we have some example. How about trying these? You can pause the video and have a go at them. So here we have x minus 7 being equal to 8, and to reverse subtracting 7 you have to add 7. So you add 7 to the left hand side of the equation, and also remember to add 7 to your right hand side of the equation as well. So this means x will be equal to 15. Again, just pause the video and have a try with this one. Okay, let's solve for x. Here we have x subtract 8 is equal to 2. The reverse of subtracting 8 is add 8. So we add 8 to the left hand side of the equation, and we add 8 to the right hand side of the equation as well. Therefore, x will be equal to 10. So let's look on some more questions. Okay, let's use the reverse method to solve equation with division. So equation that has division in them. So let's start the first one. Here we have x divided by 2 is equal to 8. Now the reverse of dividing by 2 is multiplying by 2. That means we have to multiply both sides of the equation by 2. So on our left hand side of the equation, we multiply by 2, and on the right hand side of the equation, we multiply by 2 as well. Therefore, x is equal to 16. Let's try a next example. Here we have x divided by 5. So we're going to reverse the last operation that was done to x, which is dividing by 5. So the reverse of dividing by 5 is multiplying by 5. So we have to multiply the left hand side of the equation by 5. Here we go. And remember to multiply the right hand side of the equation by 5. And this is to ensure that the equation remain balanced. So here we'll have x being equal to 4 times 5, which is 20. How about pausing the video and try these questions? So the first one is x divided by 4 is equal to 2. So here again we'll reverse the operation. So we have x divided by 4. So the reverse of dividing by 4 is multiplying by 4. So we have to multiply the left hand side of the equation by 4, and we have to multiply the right hand side of equation by 4. Therefore x will be equal to 2 times 4, which is equal to 8. Let's try this one. So x divided by 8 is equal to 5. So here again we use the reverse operation method. So here we have x divided by 8. So dividing by 8 is the last operation that was done to x. This means we have to reverse dividing by 8. And the reverse of dividing by 8 is multiplying by 8. So you multiply the left hand side of the equation by 8, and then you multiply the right hand side of the equation by 8. Always ensure that your equation remain balanced. So therefore your x will be equal to 40. So again, if this helped you, subscribe and like for more GCSE Maths explained clearly every week.